Okay, welcome to all. Today we are going to see IUPAC and common names of halogen derivatives of alkanes. Maharashtra book page number 211. ह्याच्यामध्ये आपण आज हॅलोजन डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ अल्केनचे कॉमन नेम आणि IUPAC नेम्स हे दोन्ही पाहणार आहोत. तर हे नेम्स पाहायच्या आधी आय रिक्वेस्ट टू ऑल ऑफ यू दॅट इज फर्स्ट यू टेकन द notebook and pen and then you have to solve with me one by one, that is by taking a screenshot or by stopping the video. You have to take the notebook. Without notebook and pencil or pen you don't see this video because you doesn't understand anything. मी सर्वांना माझ्या ट्युशन मधल्या स्टुडंट्सला ॲडवाइज करते की तुम्ही पेन आणि एक वही घ्या, हे एक्झाम्पल्स लिहून काढा आणि माझ्या सोबत तुम्ही ट्राय करा, तरच तुम्हाला हे समजेल, नाहीतर काहीच समजणार नाही आहे. ओके, वी विल स्टार्ट पेज नंबर 211. तर CS3 CS2 BR हा दिलेला आहे. आता इथं काय करायचं, फंक्शनल ग्रुप BR आहे. कॉमन नेम मध्ये हा BR लास्टला घ्यायचं, दॅट इज ब्रोमाइड. CS3 CS2 C2H5 इथाइल ब्रोमाइड्स. तर हा झाला आपला इथाइल ब्रोमाइड. ह्याचा IUPAC नेम्स कसं घ्यायचं, select the long chain of carbon. Okay, here only how many carbons? 2 carbons, so you have to take only this. Bromide, in bromide ID is replaced by O, so the by rule it is like that, that is we have to write the address of bromide. But on BR, if you taken BR from this side or this side, there will become 1, so you don't write this address. ID is replaced by O, bromo, 2 carbons, parent name ethane, 2 carbons are parent name ethane. Second example is this. It is a straight chain, so I written N. Close this. What's the total formula of to close this, and what's the total formula, that is C3H7. What's the C3H7? Propyl. C3H7 propyl. Okay, I have give one photo, that is propyl methyl, to all of you. See in this chart, C3H7 propyl, Cl name is a chloride. This is common. In IUPAC, what you have to done, which is a functional group, chloro. Select the long chain, only one chain, that is 1 2 3 carbons, a parent name propane. Okay, one it is not necessary to write the one chloride. ID is replaced by O, that is chloropropane. Come to next, that is CH2Cl2. CH2Cl2. Here how many CS2 names is a methylene, how many chlorine? 2, so di, 2 means di. Cl चा कॉमन नेम क्लोराइड. तर एक लक्षात घ्या, कॉमन नेम मध्ये क्लोराइड येणार आणि IUPAC मध्ये क्लोरो येणार. कॉमन नेम मध्ये BR चा ब्रोमाइड येणार, IUPAC मध्ये ब्रोमो. I चा आयोडाइड, IUPAC मध्ये आयोडो. अशा पद्धतीने CS2 म्हणजे मिथिलीन, 2 मीन्स डाय, मिथिलीन डाय क्लोराइड, 2 आहेत म्हणून डाय, क्लोराइडचा क्लोरो आणि ओनली 1 कार्बनचा पॅरेंट नेम मिथेन. ओके, नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल इज दिस, दॅट इज फोर्थ वन इज द CH3CH. Okay, this is Cl, common name, one side branching, he mentioned होणार he, and this is the branch, so it is a iso. Close this. C3H7. C3H7 means propyl, and what's the Cl name? Chloride. Okay, come to IUPAC. IUPAC rules. Select the long chain of carbon atom. This is your long chain. 1 2 3. Then write the locant 2. Cl, ID is replaced by O, 2 chloro. Close this. 1 2 3 3 carbons a parent name 3 carbons parent name is a propane. Next, that is a fifth one. Fifth one is what? That is, see here, they will given like this way, CH3 twice CH, CH2 Br. They will given this condensed structure. We will make simple structure of this. Make the simple structures. CH, CH2 as it is, Br as it is. This CH3 twice you have to make the simple. CH3, CH3. This CH3 twice group is attached to what? CH. So you make simplification CH3, CH3. This is the simple simplification. CH3 जे twice होतं ते आपण separate करून घेतलेलं आहे. Okay, this is your structures. Now see here, what's the common name? Okay, Br is attached to this carbon. And this is the chain of carbon. Here it is one of the branch. So it is what? It will come iso. Total कार्बन गट्टा मोजा टोटल. कॉमन मध्ये टोटल कार्बन घ्यायचे. You have to take total carbon, bunch carbon in the common name. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 means C4H9 is a butyl. If you have to taken the bunch, C4H9 will become. C4H9 is a butyl, isobutyl, and Br is nothing but a bromide. Next one, that is fourth. Fourth one is like this. Sorry, here IUPAC names will be remaining. IUPAC. Take the chain of this. Give the numbers. Functional group is nearer, so give the 1 number here. Functional group जिथून lowest position वर आहे त्या कार्बनला 1 तुम्ही असं घेऊ शकता. But if you have to taken in this way, then what will becomes 1, 2, 3? It is wrong. What's the rule tells us? That is functional group is attached to that carbon that takes a lowest possible number. So 1, 2, 3. हे 3 कार्बनचं पॅरेंट नेम आपण नंतर लिहूया. 1 कार्बनवर ब्रोमो अटॅच आहे, 2 कार्बनवर मिथाइल अटॅच आहे. 1 वर ब्रोमो, 2 वर मिथाइल. मग ह्यामध्ये अल्फाबेटिकली कोण पहिला येते? ब्रोमो. हु विल कम अल्फाबेटिकली फर्स्ट? ब्रोमो. सो राइट द ॲड्रेस. 1 ब्रोमो, देन 2 ला व्हॉट? मिथाइल. 2 कार्बनवर कोण आहे? मिथाइल. अँड क्लोज दिस बिकॉज वी हॅव टू रिटर्न द नेम ऑफ दिस. 3 कार्बनचा नेम, 3 कार्बनचा पॅरेंट नेम काय येणार आहे? प्रोपेन. ओके, प्रोपेन. नेक्स्ट वन इज व्हॉट? दॅट इज fourth. Okay, I will take on the next page. The example, that's a 6th example. CH2 double bond CHCl. The day before yesterday, I have to taught you that if the functional group is attached directly to the double bond, then its common name is a vinyl. फंक्शनल ग्रुप जर डायरेक्टली डबल बॉन्डला अटॅच असेल, sp2 कार्बनला अटॅच असेल फंक्शनल ग्रुप डायरेक्टली, देन विनाइल. आणि सीएलचं नाव काय येणार आहे? क्लोराईड. सी द व्हॉट्स द आयुपीएससी नेम ऑफ दिस. आयुपीएससी नेम काय येईल बघा ह्याचं. ओनली 2 कार्बन्स आहे, सो लोकंड इज नॉट नेसेसरी. सो 1 लिहिण्याची गरजच नाही आहे, कारण तो असायलाच 2 कार्बन आहेत. क्लोरो, 2 कार्बन्स, ETHANE not comes because here there is a presence of double bond. Double bond असेल तर AN is replaced by ENE. If there is a presence of double bond, then AN is replaced by ENE. Next, 7th one, that is CH2 double bond CH. Next, CH2 Br. Okay, what's the common name? If halogen is attached to sp3 carbon atom, which is this sp3 or this carbon is bonded to double bond CC. Then in yesterday's video what I am saying, it is allylic, ALLYLIC. allylic, Br चं नेम काय येईल, bromide, allylic bromides. See here, if functional group is attached to that carbon if it is present next to the C double bond C, then it is a allylic or simple double bond. Then next carbon, if it is attached to this carbon is attached to halogens means functional group, तो ग्रुप असतो तो allylic मध्ये येत असतो. ह्याच्या आधीच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण हे डिस्कस केलंय. डबल बॉन्डला जो लागून कार्बन असतो आणि त्या कार्बनवर जो हॅलोजन असतो तो allylic असेल. म्हणजेच सॉरी, द नेम इज अलायल ब्रोमाइड. व्हॉट्स द IUPAC name? Yes, here is a problem something, because here are two functional group. One is a double bond and next one is a Br. Then which functional group is have a lowest possible number? Which functional group have a lowest possible number? In 11th standard there is a one rule, that is double bond have a smallest possible number than the halogens. तर डबल बॉन्डला स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर यायला पाहिजे. इथं दोन फंक्शनल ग्रुप आहे, दॅट इज डबल बॉन्ड अँड दॅट इज अ Br. पण डबल बॉन्डला लोएस्ट म्हणजे तुमची नंबर्स जो आहे तुमच्या चेनचा नंबर आहे तो इकडनं नाही जाणार, राईट साईडनं, तो लेफ्टकडनं येईल. कारण डबल बॉन्ड जर एखाद्या ह्याच्यात डबल बॉन्ड असेल, हॅलोजन ॲटम असेल, तर त्यावेळेस तुम्ही डबल बॉन्डला लोएस्ट पॉसिबल नंबर करायचे. दिस इज द चेन ऑफ कार्बन ॲटम. देन यू डोंट कम हिअर बिकॉज द डबल बॉन्ड गेट्स 2 नंबर. ह्याला 1 येईल पण डबल बॉन्डला 2, हे नियमाच्या बाहेर आहे. सो यू हॅव टू गो फ्रॉम हिअर 1 2 3. आता ब्रोमो किती नंबरला आला, 3 नंबरला आला. सो द नेम इज ए 3. ब्रोमाइडचा येणार ब्रोमो, 3 कार्बन्स, पॅरेंट नेम प्रोपेन. SAN is good, not. AN is replaced by ENE and 1 is not necessary because कंपल्सरी डबल बॉन्ड इकडं आला असतं तर आपण ह्याला 1 म्हटलं असतं, इकडं आला तरी 1. त्यामुळे 3 कार्बनमध्ये 1 लिहायची गरज नाही आहे इथं. 8 that is SCH triple bond C. I in books Cl they will given, but we can take an I. S. In 11, what's you have to give the name, what's the common name of this? Acetylene. Triple bonded chapter झालेलं आहे, acetylene. Then see here, 1H is replaced by I. 1H is replaced by I. आपण ह्याचं नाव असं देऊ शकतो का, आयडो CH ट्रिपल बॉन्ड CH चाच डेरिव्हेटिव्ह आहे हा. CH ट्रिपल बॉन्ड CH हा 11th स्टँडर्ड मध्ये झालेला आहे, दॅट इज आयडो ॲसिटिलीन. समजते, CH ट्रिपल बॉन्ड CH इज ॲसिटिलीन. 1H is replaced by I, so I also written आयोडो and CH ट्रिपल बॉन्ड CH हा त्याचा मेन कंपाऊंड असल्यामुळं दॅट इज द ॲसिटिलीन. दिस इज द कॉमन नेम. ओके. सेकंड IUPAC जे असणार आहे आयोडो, 2 कार्बन्स, पॅरेंट नेम इथेन. AN is replaced by YNE. YNE means triple bond. YNE means what? Triple bond. Okay. Next one, that's the 9th. Yes, one thing I am forgotten, that is whenever you have to write the IUPAC names, at the time of writing IUPAC you don't leave the space in your words. You don't leave the space in your words when you writing the IUPAC, not for common. Okay, come to the next numbers, that is next one is like this, that is they will started the some aromatic compounds Br, and next one is this is Br. See, it is main positions. Then from further, it is ortho positions, it is meta, it is para. I will teach you like this. If suppose I will taken one star, then next positions of this, it is a ortho. Next to this ortho, next to this, that is meta, and front to each other, or ortho, meta, para. See here it is ortho, next one is a meta, and front to each other para. That is IMP. IMP च्या ऐवजी तुम्ही OMP लक्षात ठेवायचे. आता कॉमन नेम्स देत असताना आपण हे प्रेफिक्स वापरूयात. दॅट इज 2 ब्रोमिन आहे. ते कुठल्या पोझिशन्सला आहेत बघा. ही पोझिशन्स सपोज आय विल गॉट. आर्थो नाही आहे, समथिंग इज नॉट, बट मेटा. These are meta to each other, so it is written as an 2 आहे, so it is a di meta di bromo. Br is a bromo benzene. ॲरोमॅटिक्सचे नेम्स देत असताना आपण त्याच्या पोझिशन्स कन्सिडर करणं हे खूप महत्त्वाचं असतं. इथे एखादा ग्रुप असेल, त्याच्या पुढची जी असते ती मेटा आर्थो असते, त्याच्या पुढे मेटा असते, आणि त्याच्या पुढे जी असते ती पॅरा असते. मग इथं मेटाला आहेत, सो इट इज ए मेटा. 2 आहेत डाय ब्रोमो बेन्झीन. ओके, नेक्स्ट टू दिस that is IUPAC. In IUPAC you have to write the numbers. 1 2 ला नथिंग. इकडून ह्या साइडने जवळ होणार आहे. यू गो फ्रॉम दिस साइड, बिकॉज यू कम फ्रॉम दिस साइड, इट इज लॉंग डिस्टन्स. गिव ए स्मॉलेस्ट पॉसिबल नंबर. 1 नथिंग टू 2 3 1 3 1 3 2, so it is a die. 1 at a 2 nothing 1 3 डाय. Br चा काही ब्रोमो आणि रिंगचं काही बेन्झीन. 1 3 डाय ब्रोमो बेन्झीन. ओके, नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल. सी हियर बेन्झीन रिंग. The I are front to each other, opposite to each other, then opposite to each other. It is opposite to each other means para. Opposite to each other means para. 2 means di. I means ido. Para diido. And the ring's name is a benzene. Ring name is a benzene. See here, opposite to each other, that is para. In shortcut it is written as a para diido benzene. Okay, next one is the, what's the IUPAC name of this compound? IUPAC name is, see here, 1 2 3 4, 1 and 4 positions. 1 and 4 position. So it is 1 4 1 4 1 4 di. I means ido. Ring's name is a benzene. 1 4 diido benzene. Okay, this is the aromatic compounds nomenclatures. Okay, we are going to next. Okay, next compound is this. See here, in 11th class you have to study that. I close this. What will be remaining? That is benzene ring to methyl is attached. What's the name of this benzene ring? If there is attachment of benzene ring to the methyl, or methyl group is attached to the benzene, then it is called as an toluene. Okay, so first I am going to take you IUPAC names. What's the IUPAC name? See here, it is 1 2 3 4 4 4 ido toluene. 4 ido toluene. Or what's the common name of this? Common name is the para. They are opposite to each other, means this is a para. I means ido, and if the ido is closed, then it is a toluene. Para ido toluene. This is the toluene. Okay, next 12th. See, ring, benzene ring, then they will given CS2I. The day before yesterday, I have tell you that if the halogen is attached to sp3 carbon atom and this sp3 carbon atom is attached to benzene ring, then it is called as a benzyl. रिंगला बेन्झिन रिंगला CH2 असेल तर एवढ्या ग्रुपला सियर, एवढ्या ग्रुपला तुम्ही काय बोलायचे, बेन्झाईल. व्हॉट्स द नेम, बेन्झाईल. बेन्झिन रिंग आणि CH2 बेन्झाईल. I name is a iodide, benzyl iodide. This is common name. What's the IUPAC? See here. What is the IUPAC? I name is first in IUPAC, that is iodo. Iodo. Then what's this? तुम्हाला मी ह्याच्या आधी पण सांगितलेलं आहे. दॅट इज आपण बेन्झिन रिंगचं नाव फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लिहित असेल तर फिनाईल. फिनाईल बेन्झिन रिंगचं नाव आपण आधी लिहित असेल, दॅट्स ए C6H5 ग्रुप, देन इट इज कॉल्ड एज अन फिनाईल. आयोडोफिनाईल. आयोडोफिनाईल. क्लोज दिस. one carbon's parent name, that is one carbon's parent name is a methane. Iodophenyl methane. Okay, next, that is 13th. Here all the questions they will given are ended, but in page number 212 they will given some in-text questions. That is, they will ask you what is the trivial name of falling. Name of falling. Trivial name of CSCl3. हा in-text क्वेश्चन आहे. पेज नंबर 212 महाराष्ट्र बुक. CSCl3 चा ट्रायव्हल नेम काय. ट्रायव्हल नेम मीन्स कॉमन नेम. ट्रायव्हल नेम मीन्स कॉमन नेम. CSCl3 चा कॉमन नेम आहे क्लोरोफॉर्म. CSCl3 चा कॉमन नेम आहे क्लोरोफॉर्म. नेक्स्ट CCl4. सेकंड क्वेश्चन दे गिवन, that is CCl4 चा कॉमन नेम. तर CCl4, C means carbon, 4 means tetra, Cl means chloride. So the name is a carbon, 4 means tetra and Cl is a chloride. Again some questions they will given to you to find out their answers. Okay, I will take that. Okay, page number 212 in-text question. What is the IUPAC names of following? आपल्याला ह्या सर्वांच्या IUPAC names लिहायचे. See here. Select the long chain carbon atom 1, 2, 3. So at a 2 there is a bromo, 2 bromo, 3 carbons चा parent name येतोय propane. तर these are the IUPAC names. Only they will ask IUPAC. Okay, 14. 15 question number, that is they would ask to you, that is they ask to you CH3 CH2I in your Maharashtra book. See here, functional group is here. So you have to select a chain in such a way that carbon which is attached to functional group must comes in that chain. हा आय जो कार्बनला अटॅच आहे हा कार्बन तुमच्या चेन मध्ये यायला पाहिजे. अशा पद्धतीने तुम्ही चेन सिलेक्शन करा. इट इज लाईक दिस. Okay, give the numbers. Functional group is here, so you can come from here. 1, 2, 3. 2 CH3 means methyl. Methyl. 1 la iodo. But alphabetically who will come first? I will come first. Iodo comes, so it is wrong. 1 iodo. 2 la S at a second carbon methyl. Close this. 3 carbons will be remaining. What's the parent name? That is propane. S. Next one, that's a 16. Only they will given like this way. Only IUPAC name. This is a benzene ring and bromo. So the simple name is a bromobenzene. It is important, that is in while giving the IUPAC names of aromatic compound, it is a bromobenzene, and if you want to take a common name, then it is a phenyl bromide. Phenyl bromide. In common name, Br is taken at a last, and In IUPAC name, Br will be coming as a first, that is Bromo. See here they will ask only IUPAC, but I will tell you IUPAC and common both. It is IUPAC and what it is common name? कॉमन नेम मध्ये ब्रोमाइड होईल, बियाचं ब्रोमाइड मागं जाईल आणि रिंगचे नेम्स फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल घेत असताना आपण फिनाइल लिहायचं आहे. व्हेनेवर यू हॅव टू रिटर्न द रिंग नेम फर्स्ट, देन यू हॅव टू राईट फिनाइल. Br is a bromide, phenyl bromide. Okay, come to next compound, that is okay. Next compound is a CH3 CH double bond CH CH2 Cl. Here functional groups are two, that is chloride also and double bond also. So you have to give the numbers to the carbon chain in such a way that double bond must contain lowest possible number. डबल बॉन्डला लो पॉसिबल नंबर यायला पाहिजे. सो नंबरिंग तुमचा कसा होईल मग 1 2 3 4. कारण डबल बॉन्डला स्मॉल नंबर यायला पाहिजे एस. देन व्हॉट्स द नेम? ओनली दे विल आस्क IUPAC नेम. इट इज इंडेक्स क्वेश्चन. 4 Cl चा नेम काय येईल बाळांनो? 4 क्लोरो 1 2 3 4. क्लोज दिस. 4 carbons parent name butane, BUT. AN is replaced by ENE because there is a presence of double bond, and where at a position number 2 there is a presence of double bond. Okay, next, that is 18th questions. They will given CH3C CH3 C CH2 Br. Okay, again there will become two functional groups, that is bromine and triple bond, but you must give the numbers in such a way that the triple bond must contain lowest possible number. Next, it is what I am telling, that is triple bond must contain lowest possible number, means you have to make the numbers from 1 to here. And here two possibility, 1 2 3 4. Then what? That is 4 bromo and 2 la at a 2 number YNE. But think that is if you going 1 2, then either you go from right or either you come from left. At a both end the triple bond is 2. At a both end, from both end the triple bond is a 2. But if you come from this side, that is left side, then second functional group bromine is a 4 number, that is 1. See here 1 4 if you come from left side. But if you go from the right side, then one functional group, and at a 2 there is a triple bond, that is 1 2, means it is right, because if you go from left or right, both side triple bond will becomes 2. So you think from this side, because from this side the functional group is also lowest possible number. So the name is 1 2 3 4. Okay, 1 2 3 4. Then 1 bromo 1 bromo but AN is replaced by YNE, but at a what's the address of YNE? Triple bond, that is a 2. In exam you make the rough work of this 1 2 3 4. You don't try it on this answer page like this 1 2 3 4. You make the rough page, and while while writing a IUPAC name, don't leave the space between the words. Okay, next one, they will given. Okay, in a nomenclatures I will some taken IIT level, JEE level, NEET level questions for IUPAC. IUPAC चे काही IIT level किंवा NEET level चे आपण examples पाहूया. See here, today we are going to see some bicyclic compound. Bicyclic compounds चे names कसे करायचे, तर first examples of this is like this. आता ह्याचं कंपाऊंडचं नॉमेनक्लेचर्स करताना मी काही रूल सांगते. तर पहिल्यांदा हे 2 आहेत सायक्लिक, सो आय रिटर्न बायसायक्लो. Then see here, at a 1 you will start to count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 9, 10. So it is a decane. But before going to write decane, you make this bracket and next decade. Now you are very interesting. It is very interesting to tell you that is what in this bracket. See here, there are 2 cycles present. So you have to count how many the cycles. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many carbons are present in first cycle? 1. Here 2. Because at each corner there is a presence of carbon. You know that is, this structure is like this: CH2, 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 like this way. But in this bracket you have to write how many carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is in first ring there is a 4 carbon. In second ring 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon. 4, 4, and here is a 0 because there is a no presence of carbon in this line. That is where the 2 lines will be joined, there is a no presence of carbon. That is, so it is a 440 decane. Next bicyclo is like this way. Here first you have to write bicyclo bracket, count all these, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 4 means what? It is a butane. Then what's in bicycle? Sorry, what is right in bracket? Here only 1 carbon, here is also 1 carbon. 1, 1 at a center only line presence means no carbon. So it is a 1, 1, 0. Next example is a very interesting. It is also third examples, that is, see here. They will given in this way. See here, it is also bicyclo, but something different than the first two. Bicyclo first written. Okay, we will start to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See here, 7, and next one is a 8. So it is by 8. 8 means what's the name? Name of this is a octane. Name of this is a octane. And count the carbon in first ring 1, 2. In second ring, so it is 2. In second ring 1, 2. It is also 2. And in at a corner there is a presence of 1, 2. See here, match this and this. Bridging. At a bridging there is a no carbon. So I written 0. But whatever may be the center bridge, there is a here 1 carbon and here 1 carbon. So I written 2, 2, 2. Bicyclo 2 cycles. Totally 8 होते म्हणून ऑक्टेन लिहिलं. 1, 2 हा 2 इथला. दुसऱ्या रिंग मध्ये चला. 1, 2 हा 2 इथला. हा सेंटर बघायचा, सेंटर हे पहा. इथे एक कार्बन आहे आणि इथे एक कार्बन. So I written 2, 2, 2 carbon. Okay. Next. Okay. Next compound they will given like this. See here, it is also bicyclo. Bicyclo 1, 2, 3. So it is a 3. Next it is only come to this chain, only 1, 1. At the middle no carbon, so it is a 0. 1, 2, 3. It is 1. At a center no, therefore 3, 1, 0. Count this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is a hexane. Okay. Now we will change a sub point. If there is a presence of tertiary carbon at center of 2 ring, then use the word spiro, S-P-I-R-O, spiro, or you call spiro. See the one of the examples in your IIT book. In the IIT book, I have taken these examples. This compound here, two rings is joined by this center carbon. If you have to count, this center carbon is attached to how many carbon? 1, here second, here third, it is 4. See here, 1 CH2, second CH2, this is the third CH2, this is the 4 CH2. If center carbon is attached to 4 carbon, that is quaternary carbon is present at the middle of the two ring, then it is called as a spiro. Instead of bicyclo, you have to write the spiro. Make the bracket. How many? 2 in first ring. How many? 2. Spiro 2 2. Count 1 2 3 4 and 5. So it is a pentane. 1 2 3 4 5 spiro pentane. Next example, I would like to take in front of you. It is like this. Okay, just a minute. This is false. स्पायरोचं मी नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल घेते. हिअर टू रिंग जॉईन झालेले आहेत. सेंटरला कार्बन आहे, तो 4 कार्बनला जॉईंट आहे का बघा. 1 2 3 4. एसिड इज ए स्पायरो. बायसायक्लोच्या ऐवजी इथं स्पायरो लिहायचं. बिकॉज इफ द सेंट्रल कार्बन इज ए quaternary. व्हॉट इज मीन बाय quaternary? इफ 1 कार्बन इज जॉईन टू नेक्स्ट 4 कार्बन atom. Okay, make the bracket. Count the carbon. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, once more. 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So it is octane. How many? First you have to write the bigger number. 1 2 3 4 5. 5 in first ring. First write the bigger numbers carbon. 1 2 3 4 5 carbon. Here only 2 carbon. And at the okay, this only 5 and 2. Octane. Spiro 5 to octane. Okay, take the next one carbon. Suppose. Take the next compound. Here C2H5. And what's the name? This is a CH3, C2H5 and CH3. Who will come first? किंवा ह्यामध्ये पहिला नेम 1 नंबर कुणाला द्यायचं? इथायलला का मिथायलला? तर सी हिअर जो बिगर आहे त्याला 1 नंबर द्यायचं. जो बिगर ग्रुप आहे. कोण आहे बिगर? ई आहे. तर 1 इथाइल, 3 मिथाइल and 6 member ring. So it is hexane. Here will come cyclohexane. Okay, that is next compound is this, that is, see here. Next, H5. Here I have not written something, that is here presence of, that is what, like these compounds are also available in your examples. CH3 C2H5. This means they will blanks means here presence of CH3 C2. Then which will become smaller number? Most substituted position. Most substituted means जास्त branch कुठे आहेत. More number of branches here. So it will comes 1 2 3. Here long distance. So 1. मगाशी पण इथाला 1 नंबर दिलतो, पण आता मोर सबस्टिट्यूशन, मोर ब्रांचेस कुठे आहेत ना, त्याला 1 नंबर देऊयात. सो इट इज 1 1. 2 times 1 1 2. सो 2 मिथाइल ग्रुप आहेत. सो इट इज डाय. CH3चं नाव आहे मिथाइल. 1 1 डाय मिथाइल. 2 ला नथिंग. 3 ला इथाइल. 3 इथाइल. सायक्लिक आहे आणि 6 मेंबर्ड आहे. सो इट इज सायक्लोहेक्सेन. Okay, this is useful for your IIT or NEET level example. See here, if there is a presence of only this much, then you have to return the name. What is that? Is methyl cyclohexane. Okay, but see, if your aliphatic chain is longer than the ring, if the aliphatic chain is longer than the ring, then what's become? See, to the next aliphatic chain is longer. I will take these examples. I taken these examples from IIT book, that is CH3, CH2, CH, CH2, CH3, next like this. Here cyclic ring is how many carbon? 1, 2, 3, means it is smallest. But see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it is long chain. So here what aliphatic म्हणजे जो ओपन कंपाऊंड आहे तो छोटा होता, त्यामुळं दॅट वी टेक फ्रंट साइड, तो आपण पुढे घेतला. रिंग मोठी होती म्हणून मागे घेतला. दॅट इज रिंग इज कन्सिडर्ड ॲज अ पॅरेंट अँड इज टेकन ॲज अ सबस्टिट्यूएंट. बट हियर रिंग इज अ स्मॉलर, then this ring is a smaller, so you have to taken as a substituent. ह्याला ब्रांच समजा, ब्रांच समजून ह्याचं नाव प्रथम लिहा. that is you have to taken in a prefix. at a where number 3 cyclo, cyclic ring आहे म्हणून cyclo. 1 2 3 means प्रोपेनच्या ऐवजी इथं प्रोपाइल होणार, कारण सी हियर दिस इज अ सायक्लोप्रोपेन, सॉरी दिस इज अ सायक्लोप्रोपेन. But you have to join the bond, means 1H will become. हे पहा, हे CH2 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 ह्याला आपण सायक्लोप्रोपेन म्हणतोय. पण एक बॉन्ड जॉईंट करताय ह्याचा अर्थ एक H कमी करता, कारण व्हॅलन्सी आपल्याला कार्बनची 4 मेंटेन करायची आहे. मग जसं प्रोपेनचं तुम्ही प्रोपाइल लिहिताय तसं सायक्लोप्रोपेन रिंगचं सायक्लोप्रोपाइल करा, कारण इथं बॉन्ड आहे म्हणजे प्रोपेन मधनं एक H कमी होतो ऑटोमॅटिकली कार्बनच्या व्हॅलेन्सीसाठी. मग ANE ऐवजी YL लिहायचं. 3 सायक्लोप्रोपाइल, दिस इज द लॉंगर चेन ऑफ द पेंटेन. 1 2 3 that is pentane. 3 cyclopropyl pentane. Chain of it is 5 carbon, so it is a cyclopentane. See the next examples, that is if this is present like this, CH double bond CH2, then how the name will be written? Here this double bond is a functional group, double bond is a functional group, so it is a substituent, means branch type. So cyclo 3 member ring, so it is propane च्या ऐवजी प्रोपाइल येणार, cyclopropyl. 2 carbons name ethane, AN is replaced by ENE because there is a presence of double bond. Next, that is next is like this. Double bond, CH double bond CH CO CH3. In these examples it is the longest chain of carbon. Okay, this is the longest chain. So how the name will be given? See here, this is the functional group. Double bond is also functional group. Ketone, C double bond O means ketone. Ketone is also functional group. So you should give the names from here, because from here it is closest way. 1 2 3 4. At a number 4 there is a branch present. Considered this is as a branch. 4 cyclic, so it is a cyclo. 4 cyclo 5 member ring. 1 2 3 4 5, so it is a pent. See here 1 2 3 4 cyclic cyclo 5 member ring, so it is pent. आता ह्या डबल बॉन्डचा आपल्याला नंबर करावं लागेल. ह्या डबल बॉन्डचं 1 2 3 4 5. 2 नंबरला एक डबल बॉन्ड आहे आणि 4 नंबरला एक डबल बॉन्ड आहे. ॲट ए 2 अँड ॲट ए 4 देअर इज अ प्रेझन्स ऑफ डबल बॉन्ड, सो इट इज ए 2 4. 2 डबल बॉन्ड आहेत, सो इट इज डाय ENE. At a last E I not write because this bond is present. this E is replaced by YN. पहा ANE मध्ये जर आपण सी हिअर दिस इज मिथेन. ओके, CH4 इज अ मिथेन. ह्याला बॉन्ड जॉईंट केल्यावर एक एच ऑटोमॅटिक कमी होतो. म्हणजे काय, CH3 दॅट इज CH3 म्हणतो आपण ह्याला, म्हणजे मिथाल म्हणतो. मिथेनचं मिथाल होते. मग तसं हा डबल बॉन्ड ENE च्या ऐवजी YL, कारण बॉन्ड जॉईंट झाला, ह्या रिंगला बॉन्ड जॉईंट झाला. ओके, 4 सायक्लो 5 मेंबर रिंग पेंट 2 आणि 4 ला 2 म्हणजे डाय. ENE is replaced by YL, is replaced by YL. Next one is what? That is close this, forward this. Okay, now how many carbon compound? 1 2 3 4. Okay, here YL. Next this 1 2 3 4. 4 means but at a number 3. 1 2 3 3 double bond EN. Here I cancel this E because I want to write this ketonic name. 1 2 3 but 3 EN. E is replaced by again 2 ONE. So it is the name. Full name is a 4 cyclopent 2 4 dinyl but 3 EN 2 ONE. It is the one type of the NEET examples. Okay, we will stop here for this.